6'7". My name is Rob Esposito and I have a 9, 10, and 11-year-old. So I am in the trenches with this 6'7" trend. So we're gonna put it to good use here. The Nobody Move step-by-step AI app, the one that walks you from 120 days before your move all the way to your first night in your new home and then a post-move punch list and getting settled in your new community, just dropped to 67 for the year. And hopefully it won't last long because we're keeping it that way till this trend finally gets old. It's the most extensive moving checklist ever created. It has reminders for things like utilities, downloadable sheets with paperwork for the days you need paper and pen in hand. And it even comes with a built-in closed source AI trained on all the Nobody Move publishings. You could ask it anything logistically or emotionally in plain English. Or as my guys proved to me, it actually tells you in different languages as well.
¿Hablas español?
Sí, hablo español. ¿En qué puedo ayudarte hoy?
And it'll give you a clear step-by-step answer, like you've got a moving expert sitting on your couch. And while we're on the couch, it's also a therapist too. Check the link in my bio, take advantage of the deal while 6'7" lasts.